All right, just one last thing to do. We need to put the pin into that hole right there so that it will look like a realistic hinge. And so in order to do that, we are going to do a cylindrical mate. And I'm choosing this on purpose to show you some features because we haven't done a cylindrical mate yet. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to choose the end of this, and I want the end of that to basically line up with the innermost center I can find there. So I'm going to do that one down there, and you'll notice that it's the wrong direction, so I'm going to switch that way, and that looks perfect. Yeah, that looks perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up some limits. All right, so my z distance, so that's how far in and out it will go. If I want to, I can set those. So the minimum maybe is 0, and the max, 0, check. And the max might be, let's say, I know that's an inch, so let's do 0.75, check. And then check mark there. All right, so now what's really cool about this part is, first of all, I can revolve it. All right, so it looks kind of like it actually would, where I can screw it in. All right, now it's not going to actually screw in. That's a totally different setup. But it will also move. Maybe not. It should also be able to move, but maybe I just didn't set that up correctly. Huh, I thought it'd be able to move out. Let's check that real quick. I don't know if that's, let's try this. Let's try negative 0.75 and 0. Let's see what happens there. There we go. So it was just the wrong direction. So that can now slide in and out. And again, if I want to, I can revolve it. I'm going to move that. There we go. So I should be able to pick that piece and revolve it this way, which is fun. And then I can pull it in and out as I want to. All right, and that is, oops, push it back in. There we go. And that is the selfie stick.